was talking to a buddy of mine the other day, and he asked me, do you believe that God created everything that exists? And I said, yeah, I believe that. And he says, well, if God created everything that exists, wouldn't that mean that God created evil? I looked at him and I said, do you believe that evil exists? He said, yeah, there's a lot of bad things going on in the world. There's a lot of evil that people do. I said, yeah, you're right. I said, do you believe that cold exists? And he says, yeah, it's cold today. Don't you feel cold? I said, yeah, I felt cold before. But cold is a word to describe the absence of heat. Heat is something that exists. It can be measured, it can be studied, it can be observed. Cold is just a word for the absence of it. I said, do you believe that darkness exists? He says, well, yeah. Yeah, it gets dark at night. Yeah, when I cut the lights off, there's darkness. I said, darkness is a word to describe the absence of light. Light exists. You can measure it, you can study it, you can observe it. Darkness is just the absence of light. So I said, do you still believe in evil? He said, I see what you're getting at, but what do you mean? I said, evil is the absence of God. God gives us these things that exist: faith, hope, love. Those things are like warmth and light. In the absence of faith, hope, and love, the absence of God in your heart, that is what evil is. It's the absence of an all-loving Creator. Do you think evil exists?